AI budgets globally crossed $300 billion this year, and analysts estimate that more than half of it will generate no meaningful business outcome. The reason is almost always the same. Organizations investing at a maturity level they have not yet reached. The ones getting it right are not smarter. They are not better funded. They simply knew exactly where they stood before deciding where to go. So before your business spends another dollar on AI, you need to know which of these 5 levels you are actually at. AI exists in conversations at this stage, not in processes. Leadership is interested. Tools have been casually explored, but there is no formal ownership and no budget ring-fenced for transformation. The honest marker here is that every AI decision is reactive, driven by individual curiosity rather than a deliberate organizational strategy with real accountability behind it. Pilots are alive, energy is high, tools have been purchased, and it still feels like progress. But what exposes this stage is that every department is working in complete isolation. No shared data, no unified framework, and leadership still cannot answer what the return on investment actually is. This is where the most enterprise AI budget quietly disappears, not with a failed project, but with 100 inconclusive ones. This is where the shift becomes real and measurable. AI is embedded into core operations, supply chain, customer service, financial workflows, all backed by clean centralized data and a governance structure that keeps it accountable. The marker at this stage is cultural as much as it is technical. Teams stop pitching AI as a future possibility and start treating it as a present operational reality. Efficiency gains of 20 to 40% stop being projections and start showing up in quarterly numbers. At this point, AI is not enhancing the strategy. It has become the foundation every major decision is built on. Proprietary models trained on the organization's own data are driving product decisions, pricing intelligence, and customer predictions in real time. What defines this stage is competitive distance. These enterprises are not optimizing existing processes, they are redefining what is possible within their industry entirely. The gap between them and everyone else is no longer a gap in tools. It is a gap in thinking, and it widens every single quarter. This is the frontier. Autonomous agents are executing operational decisions, systems are self-optimizing after every interaction, and the entire organizational model has been designed from the ground up with AI at its center. What defines this stage is that human energy is reserved entirely for strategy, creativity, and relationships, because everything operational runs with intelligence already built in. Only a handful of enterprises globally are here, and they are extending their lead every single day. Every enterprise sits somewhere on this curve right now. And the ones moving fastest are the ones who got honest about where they stood before deciding where to invest next. Appinventiv has delivered 3,000 plus digital products and solutions across 35 plus industries, guiding enterprises through end-to-end digital transformation journeys from assessment to full-scale implementation. If you want a clear picture of your AI maturity level and a concrete path to the next one, the link below is where that conversation starts.